In today's video, I'll show you how to fix lag, stutter and low FPS in WWE 2K19. I'll show you guys the settings. Method 1, you just need to lower in-game graphics. This gonna give the biggest FPS boost. All you have to do is launch the game and go to options and go to graphics settings and press enter. Window mode set this to no basing off, shadows off, FXWA off, texture quality set this to low, audience density set it to 0. It's gonna be good FPS boost and depth of field off, motion blur off, and resolution set this to 1280 into 720. It's the best resolution for low-end PCs. After setting it, just press the make sure the FPS is set to 60 Hz and press the space key and it's gonna be saved. Select the yes option, press enter, and the settings saved, guys. Just press the spacebar again, and this is the method 1. WWE 2K19 uses many CPU heavy effects. Turning them off gives instant FPS gain. If you want even more low end boost, then close the game. Just open up File Explorer and go to Documents. Open the WWE 2K19. Right click on the config and select Edit in Notepad. Make sure these three options are off. Quality set same as mine. Texture set this to low by setting number 0. Resolution 720 into 1280. And window set this to yes option. And select the file and select save option. Why we doing this setting? Because these forces the lowest settings even if the in-game menu resets them. Just close and open the game. The game will be in window mode, but I show you guys. Make this center of the screen and you can enjoy the game without any problem. If you're still having any issues, then let's move on to the method 3. Method 3 is to update your graphics driver. To do this, open the graphics driver software. In my case, I'm using NVIDIA app. Go to drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to download and install the latest available driver. And why we doing this? Because all the drivers cause shutter, shader lag, and FPS drops in WWE 2K19. And the method 4, go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it and select the add desktop app option and navigate to the game folder. Select the game application file and select the add option and find the game. Select the game and select the GPU preference to high performance and just close stuff here. Why we doing this? Because this stops Windows from using energy saving mode on our GPU. And the final step, before launching the game, open the task manager and make sure everything is closed. Something unnecessary running in the background, just close it just by right click and select end task. Game manager, this is all not needed. Game board, not needed. Game asset, just leave it. Just know what it is. And Chrome, close it. Anything NVIDIA app, close it. And if it doesn't want things, just close it before launch. And these steps gonna be fix your lag, low FPS issues on any low-end PC. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.